This is Royal Caribbean's icon of the seas, Sorrento's Pizza Shop. This is on Deck 5 in the Promenade, forward, close to the Royal Theater. The pizza at Sorrento's is complimentary. There's no charge for this, and is open daily from 11:30 a.m. until 2 a.m. in the morning. Sorrento seems to be busiest in the evenings before or after shows in the Royal Theater. This is at 9:30 p.m. and you can see there is a good crowd here, but the line does move quickly and there's generally plenty of pizza available. Now every day the cheese and pepperoni pizza is available, and then the third type changes daily. So we've seen a barbecue chicken, we've seen a ham and pineapple, we've seen a vegetarian, so that'll change on a daily basis. You can also ask for as many pieces as you want. There's no limit on how much pizza you can have. And here at the far end, there is an ice and water dispenser, as well as 2 Coke Freestyle machines if you have the soda package. Outside of Sorrento's, there's plenty of seating with different chairs and benches. There's always live music playing in the Promenade around this time, so it makes for a fun place to enjoy a slice of pizza.